Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you wonderful people doing today? I am here with a Creative Memories haul. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're looking for a Creative Memories advisor, I am the gal, so just check out my website below. You'll also see links to all the products that I'm showing today, and feel free to purchase them. If you have any questions about anything or about the products, just let me know. So I'm just going to jump right in. But first of all, I'm going to say that this order is a little bit late because I ordered some photos that did not come in because the machine broke. So I had to get it fixed. So that was delayed, and my order was a little bit delayed getting it. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I got, and let's just go from there. So I did get 2 packs of cardstock to go with my other paper collection that you see in my next video that's coming in. These 2 colors, and this is Goldenrod and Hot Fudge. So it's like a nice sunny color yellow and a nice, just like I said, hot fudge color. And then this is a pack of exclusive papers. It's only a pack of 6 double-sided papers, which is exclusive to advisors. And excuse my nails, I just had some pomegranate in my, I got on nail polish, glitter nail polish, but my nails to me look dirty under it because I have the pomegranate juice. Anyway, so this is the Fruity Delights, and this again is exclusive for advisors, but it's a 6-pack, double-sided. I like the colors. It also goes with some of the, like the Crack Me Up colors and some of the other summer paper. I have these, the oranges and the greens and the blues. So that's those 2 sides right there. See the watermelon and the watermelon seeds. Oh my gosh, I had some watermelon recently. 2 of them were rotten, and 1 was so delicious. I mean, it was like the best watermelon I have had since probably I was 8 years old, I swear. It was so delicious. And then this one, little teeny miniature pineapples and like little flowers. And you got some green flowers and some slices of fruit, citrus fruit. Tastes really good in some hot water in the morning. And with that also, you can also buy the stickers to go along with it. And the stickers come in a pack of 6. In case you can use this paper to teach classes on how to make layouts. So all of the stickers repeat. Life gives you lemons, make margaritas. Hello summer, main squeeze, so appealing. Fruity delight, sweetness, licking fresh, smile. One in the melon, a zest for life. Life is sweet, licking fresh air. And so you got your borders. So again, and they also provide courses on how to teach these, how to make different designs. You can make 3 layouts with these 6 pages. So that was the Fruity Delights collection. Next, so next we have the Totally Tonal Zoo. So what we do is every quarter we come out with on these Totally Tonal paper pads. And so for this season, these paper pads have a different theme. Excuse me. And I got 2 of this Totally Tonal Zoo. I am into animal prints. So these are more realistic type prints. And again, it's a 6-pack. It's only $5. And that is the other side. I love that look. The giraffe, and look at that. The alligator, crocodile skin. Could be snake skin. That zebra. Oh my gosh, I love those prints. Got your bamboo. Look at your leopard. Nice prints. And I got, like I said, 2 packs of those because I know I will use those. And they came with the pack of stickers if you want. I'm trying to see which one of my stickers. There it is. You don't have to get this, they're separate. You don't have to get all of them, but I did. And these are the stickers and the borders. This is a whole set of borders that goes along with that paper collection. Next up is the Totally Tonal Autumn. So with the Autumn collection, got some nice textures here. I love these textures. Look at that. That weave, that knit pattern. Look at that rain, like, or the water, or rain on the door, a glass door, a window. I love that. And it has the ombre feel with it too. So you can really see and feel those textures. I mean, who doesn't love to see some wood, right? And some leaves. These make great borders. Look at that. The acorns. And you can see the texture like green, like a linen. And those came along too with some stickers as well. Usually have a pack of 4, but this time I have a pack of 3. But those are the borders that go along with it. And these papers are like neutral, so you can use them for anything. The season is already listed, so you can use it for that season. And the last Totally Tonal is the Summer collection. I love these pretty colors. Look at that. Should have got 2 of these. I might have to get another one of these. Look at that sand. Oh my gosh, you know you've been to the beach this summer. Look at that blue. Look at that ombre. It looks like clouds. Looks like water. It looks like it's all one. Grass. I love grass. Oh, look at that starry night. Oh, I just love that. Then you got your wood. You got your wood stain. And look at those little marigolds. You know what flower that is. Love that. So that is that one. And then here are the stickers. These are really great, again, to make the borders. These are 12 by 12. These can be cut. All of the borders can be cut. Added to different stickers. Added with the border punches and border maker cartridge punches to make unique borders. So that is the paper I got, and then I purchased these, which are, they're 12 by 12. These go with our project sort. So I'm going to use these as dividers to divide my paper. I can get into it. These are the extra inserts that you can purchase. So if you have paper collections, you can write on these. You can put labels on these. So they're tabbed, and it's 3 different tabs that you have. And I believe this is a pack of 14 or 16. No, pack of 15, excuse me, of these dividers. So they're larger than the size of 12 by 12. So you can see that. That's a 12 by 12, so you have that peeking out. And you'll write your label there. So when you go to storing them, you can quickly see which collections or your solid papers in between or whatever. However you want to label anything with 12 by 12. So that's why I got that. And I got some more of these, which are the Power Project folders, which I will do a video on these and how I done a real quick short video on how to use them. And then I got this Sunrise Sunset Recipe Template. I love the templates. Those templates are just really great. You can make so many different layouts. Your imagination is your only limitation because your papers. You can use this again with papers and with markers and paints because it's a stencil. And so I like stencils, period. I'm not a freehand artist, so this is a reusable Mylar stencil. And it fits any 12 by 12. And so they give you a couple of examples right here of how you can use this stencil. So you can kind of see it. You have the circles there, but you don't have to use the circle. You can use the one square in the back, like this layout right here. You can make it into 4 pictures. So, you know, you've got options here. And as far as your paper, this could be one piece of paper here or two. And alternate. It's just so many different combinations, or just the whole entire square right there. And again, you choose whichever pieces of the stencil. You can just use the bottom half, or just the top half, or just one side. There's so many different things that you can do with this stencil. And when you're stuck and you don't know what to do with the layout, or some paper you want to get rid of, this is a great way to do that too, as well as to use your stencils. And then the last thing I did get, which is customized product, and this is a spine that I got for my friend that I'm doing the wedding book for. I don't know if she minds. I mean, you don't know who they are anyway. I guess it doesn't matter. But anyway, it has their wedding and their name on it, so I can put this on their spine on their book. And so that did come in, so I'm excited. And she has no clue that I'm making that for her. And so that is my haul for today. And I will be back with another Creative Memories haul, because got another box coming in. And we'll show you which my items. Actually, this wasn't the one that was delayed. It's the next shipment that's coming in tomorrow. That is the one that was actually delayed because of my photos. But anyway, thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless them. Alright, so the last thing that I got was these two punches. These two punches coordinate very nicely with our papers, the Serene Waters collection, and you can get that in a bundle or each piece separately. The papers and the stickers and the embellishments and the photo mats and all this kind of stuff. They got a nice bundle going on, so you should definitely check it out. If you got any beach related theme, water related theme, anything that's like the orangey blue and seaside and fishing and all those kind of things, kind of a theme, sailing, boating, kayaking, anything that, you know, paddleboarding, whitewater rafting, get on the water, or just in a serene place, because it's called Serene Water, so they even have a vellum pack to go along with it. But I got these two because I just love Creative Memories tools. This is the Rolling Cells Border Maker Cartridge, which you have to have these two, the set to go with it. This is actually, I grabbed the old one, I have the new one too, but it's in blue. It's the same thing, but you have to have the Border Maker system to go with it. And when you punch it out, actually, let me see. I didn't think to grab some paper in time, but you can see that, and then it stays on the paper. I just cut it right here just so you can kind of see, but you can, you know, it's fun because it's sailing and it's got that little curve to it, so you got your little boats right there. So again, great addition to use on your layouts. And then I got the Friendly Fish Decorative Border Punch, which is, so that's the Border Maker Cartridge to go with this. And this is the Friendly Fish Decorative Border Punch. And again, we have those markings on the side. You flip it open, stick it in, and cut. And for that one, 3 fish. And don't get me to lie and tell you what those 3 fish are, because you know what? I don't know. Oops. I just ripped my fish. Anyway, bent my fish up. These are the 3 fish. They're in white, so of course, you know. But yeah, I just punch them always out in white, because when you first get these, sometimes they, well, not sometimes, they do, they oil them. So you want to always punch your punches out on not your decorative paper or not your only piece. Put it on the scrap first, you know, go through it the whole length one time. So at least if it has any oil on it, it's going to be on your scrap paper and not on your layout paper that you're going to use, or whatever you're using it for, your card or whatever, because it may, sometimes the oil you can see it, other times you can't, just depends. So, but it's in there, so you want to run it through first. With this, a couple options I would, you know, say, you know, if you're a fisher, oh my gosh, my grandma, Jesus. If you are a fisherman, a person who fishes, like, you know, I went deep sea fishing, didn't catch a thing, went with 2 of my friends, my scrapbook buddies. We went, oh gosh, it was like years ago now, but we had a ball. It was my first time ever doing it. I fished as a kid, but never went deep sea fishing, and it was fun. And, you know, but anything, something like that, you know, you're out there in the water on the beach. These are great as well. Anyway, so that should be it on this collection, this haul of everything I got. So just if you have any questions about anything, I need to come back. Once I get a little bit of break, I'm going to come back and show you some of the stuff that you can make with these punches and stuff that I really think are fun and creative. I don't know when that day is going to give me a break that I can get up here and do that, but I will. Take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative.